Okay, students, now we shall move on to method 2. Method 2 is the cutout method. I think many of you are quite familiar with this, right? Cutout method is to find the parts, okay, like this, and we find the big one minus away all the small parts, and then that's where you can find the answer. Okay, ready? So as we were saying earlier about this particular triangle, right? Okay, there are five of them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And according to the question, right, the height of this triangle is actually half of the breadth. So height of triangle 30 divided by 2, that will give you 15. The base, as you can see, okay, there are 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we do the same thing. Base of triangle 60 divided by 5, that will give you 12. Okay, so now let's find the area of one triangle. That will be half times base times height. Half times 12 times 15. Okay, and that will give me 90. So all this are 90. Okay, and there are 5 of it. So area of 5 triangle will be 90 times 5, and that will give me 450. Now let's find the area of the big rectangle. This time I can use 60, which is length, okay, times the breadth, which is actually 30. Okay, I'm not looking for the smaller rectangle, but I'm looking for the bigger one. So 60 times 30, okay, 6 times 3, 18, plus 2, 0. Oops, I missed out the 450, the 0. Okay, so now, remaining area will be 1,800 minus 450, and that will be 1,350. That's the answer. cm squared. Yep, that's all.